What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today on this episode, I'm going to show y'all how to make a Dogtra Pathfinder collar fit a small dog. Y'all stay tuned, we're going to get right into it. Alright guys, when you receive your Dogtra collar, it's going to be like this. You can see how big it is. Guys, there's two ways to fix this. The first way I'm going to show you is not my favorite, but it can be done. You got to take the strap out. Sometimes it can be stubborn. You take a screwdriver and just pry it out. Alright guys, the next step will be, you see the GPS hook side here. You're going to take the end of the collar and you're going to start on this side. And you're going to thread it through. Pull it all the way down. Thread it back through here. And then guys, instead of going through over, you can go through this GPS hook. You can see right there, that's what it'll look like. You can go through there. Look here, tighten it down. Go through there. Pull it down. Just like you would if you put it on regularly. Now look here, look how small it is compared to the size that it was to begin with. See how small it was? That'll fit the smallest of the smallest beagles. The second way I'm going to show you is my favorite way. So I'm going to take all this apart and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, you can see how big this is. For the second part of this, you're going to need some tools. You're going to need a pair of dikes or a pair of cutters. And you're going to need a flat weight screwdriver. And you can see one I got right here already done. Let's see. It's got the two rivets took out of it. I'm going to get this other camera set up on tripod and we'll get right into it and I'll show you how to do it. Alright guys, and I got the screwdriver. First thing you want to do is go around these rivets and pry them up. A little bit difficult guys, so be careful not to hurt yourself. May need just a little bit smaller screwdriver bit. Alright guys, I had to go get a different screwdriver. I don't know if this one will work or not. You can see guys, there's how it's starting to curl up. Just have to keep going all the way around it. Don't kill yourself. Sorry about the background noise. Alright, I've got one rivet out. This first one's usually difficult. Alright guys, y'all see how I got it raised up? Now I'm going to take these snips and try to cut it off here. Told you. Be careful. Second way is definitely the hardest. Let me tell you guys, it's worth it this way. Now we got to get a flat Phillips and push them out. One out. Two out. You keep all this stuff, guys. You don't discard it. You just keep it. You take your pliers or pair of scissors and cut it off down here. Give me just a second and I'll do that. Alright guys, got me a good pair of scissors and you take it right down here and cut it off right above the rivets. These scissors ain't worth a you know what. I'm gonna pull the D-ring and stuff off until I get it cut. Them scissors wasn't worth a crap. Now, got a good set. That's all you need to do, guys. Insert your D-ring. Put your collar strap thing back on. And then we're going to put this back on the collar and show y'all what it looks like. You just go back through the same side as it was when you got it. Back through this side. Back through here. And right there. Guys, look at that. Then you there it is. That tied it down. That'll fit one of the smallest dogs that you can find, beagle. And you just cut the collar off to the length that you need it. I run a little bit bigger beagle, so I'm gonna cut it back up here. And there you have it, guys. That's how you put it through your D. To keep your collar from flapping. And there you go. You have it right there. That's how you make it fit. I'd rather run the bigger collars than the mini collars, guys, because these the battery life's better and they don't die as fast. I can go 3 or 4 hunts on this and not ever have to charge it. Seems like I have to charge my mini collar after every hunt or hunt or two. If you run 8 hours, most likely you'll have to charge it before you go again. So, alright, I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all found this information useful, if you would please subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. Tune in to the next episode and I'll see you on the next one.